This is Pierre Delacote working at Planet Technologies. Imagine you want to share a file in Teams. How do you do that? It's pretty easy to do. So you have the file, you drag and drop it, and you put it in the file tab wherever you want. It upload, and then you have the file, and then you can open the file directly here, and you have access to the file. Pretty easy. You know that probably already. So now you worked on this file and you feel it's final and you want to promote it as a tab. So everybody who's gonna come to the team, to the channel, they will see this tab directly. They don't have to browse among all the documents. So how do you do that? Pretty easy too. You select your file and you make it as a tab. And now you have a tab with the PowerPoint file. So you come to the team, you select the tab, and you have the PowerPoint presentation. The only drawback here is it's not a slideshow. You don't really you see the editing environment of PowerPoint. So how can you do how can you add a PowerPoint slideshow directly to a tab? That's not that easy. So let's go back to my original file. I'm going to open it here. And I will first save the file as a slideshow. So to do that, I save a copy in the same folder and I decide to make it a slideshow. So where is that? PowerPoint show, PPSX. I save it. Okay, I'm gonna close it now. So now I have this file, and if I open it on my desktop, you'll see it's a slideshow. Okay? So now I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. I'm gonna go to my files. I'm gonna take this new file and upload it here. And so now, for whatever reason, you cannot going to if you want to add it as a tab, you cannot really pick it as a PowerPoint. It won't show. You see, only the PPTX file is available. The other one, you cannot make it a tab. That's why when you click here, you don't have to make a tab. So what is the solution here? If I really want to have this slideshow as a tab, um, so it's a little bit tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the folder in SharePoint and I'm going to open the I'm not going to open the document because I will have the same pattern here. So I'll show you a trick to do that. So you can, with three ellipses here, you can say, I want to preview my slide. Then you have a URL that show you the slideshow in real slideshow, real environment. And so I copy the URL, and now I'm going back to my Teams, and then I'm going to add a tab, and this time it's going to be a website. I'm going to label it. And I'm going to add the link. And I'm going to save it. And now I really have a slideshow. So I can make it, everybody can browse without modifying it. While here, everybody can browse it in a PowerPoint environment, so it's not really a slideshow. You have all the ribbon and the slides on the side, and they can modify it. So that's the way, the best way I found how to share a slide as a slideshow within your team's environment, within your channel as a tab. Hope it's helpful.